All right. Why is your number is always crooked? Your number is crooked. See, it's just like I'm just so OCD and too huge.
It grabbed your attention.
You're too huge. Like he will be. Oh, I don't care. You know, it's just number 6. This one have a lot of glitter. And when you pick up the beads, lay it on the nail surface. Just give it a couple minutes to let it set, kind of soak in. And then you can start sculpting it. Guide it the way you want it. A lot of glitter. You know what? I'm just talk, and I don't know if I'm missing anybody comment.
You're fine. Everybody left a comment on the name.
The name? Yeah. Just watching this and then join us on funds giveaway. And I'm so excited. And you are participating with us. You kind of get an idea of what set you are going to, huh? You can name it like more than one time, okay? If you feel like, but then if it happened that 2 names the same names in one's of post, we will pick the best name and the one is submit first. I'm gonna submerging the bristle in the crystal clear.
Alright, and for the anniversary sale, yep, it is up to 80% off, and it will last for the whole month of March. That's our anniversary month, so you have the whole month to shop, but do not wait for too long because things are flying out the shelf. So if you want what you want, make sure you get them nice and early. If you wait till the end of the month, I do not know what else is going to be left.
Yeah, and then you can use the your e-gift cards from the sub box.
Yes, that too. So
The sub box you
very
can
quick,
use.
for those who don't know yet. So for the anniversary month, so for our subscription box, you still can subscribe and get it right now. It comes with a $50 gift card, which you can also use with the sale.
Yes. Here's what I'm going to tell you a tip and trick. A lot of people don't know this. You can get sub the box and you get everything in the box, which is such a great value for the anniversary box. It has a lot of special in there, especially in the precision glue gels. With just that, almost pay for your box already. And then you also get yours $50 of gift card. Every single box have $50 of an e-gift card. And when you receive your box, even you're not unboxing yet, you can still using your, well, no, unboxing. You have to open the box in order for you to get the gift in there. And then you can able to use the gift cards to purchase during the sale time too. So a lot of you will take advantage from that. I'm so happy. The reason